are going to take a quick look at a Black Brothers cold press. This is a very, very unique opportunity for someone looking for a smaller Black Brothers cold press. You do not see too many small cold presses, and you certainly don't see them built to this standard. Nor do you see them in this condition. We pulled this machine out of a trade school. This is the original paint, and it is ultra clean. I mean, look at that Black Brothers label there. I mean, that placard looks brand new. We believe this machine was only cycled a handful of times. It does have a 38 by 50 inch capacity, and if we look inside at the plates, you can see it is very clean on the inside. It does have spring-loaded bedrolls to ease in loading and unloading. It has a total of 9 pods. We did replace the center one because it had a pinhole leak. We also replumbed the top. A lot of that is just due to age, unfortunately. We replaced the regulator. This is a high flow regulator. Also have the secondary water separator is replaced as well. The backflow preventer by Ross, we did rebuild that. That includes, I mean, really the whole gut. So that's going to be your shaft, your seals, your covers, and springs. We did also replace your control lever. I'm going to let it open all the way up to its limit switch. Obviously, it is hitting your limit right here. That's so you don't overextend the bags. There are no air leaks on this machine. Now, if you look, you're going to see this is a manually adjustable opening machine. So you have these threads sticking straight up. If you do loosen your 4 nuts, you're going to be able to raise the top of this machine up, and you are going to get about a 36-inch daylight opening out of it. But again, if you just look at the condition, it is just, I mean, excellent. Plus, it's hard to believe that it is this clean. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.